Hello everyone, welcome to Richard Chinese language. And today I'm going to talk about the differences between the and the. Actually, the pronunciation of these words are the same, but the usages are a little bit different. So let's talk about it today. First of all, let's talk about the. The first usage I'm going to talk about is the possessive form, and which is a variable for people or things. So you can say someone's something, or it's like something of something in English. For example, for people, we can say 我的妹妹，我的妹妹。And also, you can use the after a person's name. 理查的手 Richard's hand. 理查的手 Richard's hand. You can use the in the possessive form for animals or things. For example, 狗的名字，狗的名字 the name of the dog. So here, the is the possessive form for the dog. It's like the dog's name. 加拿大的首都，加拿大的首都 the capital of Canada. It's like Canada's capital. The second usage of the I'm going to talk about is the adjective form. And you just use an adjective plus the and then plus a noun. Okay, I'll give you some examples. 漂亮的小姐，漂亮的小姐 beautiful lady. And you can see I use the after 漂亮. Then it becomes an adjective. 漂亮的 an adjective. And then you can modify a noun. Another example, 白色的杯子，白色的杯子 white cup. And also we use the after 白色. Then 白色的 becomes an adjective. You can use it to modify a noun. Okay, and now let's talk about the. And here, the is a particle to help modify the verb with the adverb. So our sentence pattern would be a verb plus the plus an adjective, but actually the adjective is an adverb. And the sentence pattern is a verb plus the plus an adjective. And actually, here the adjective is an adverb. Okay, examples. 他跑得很快。他跑得很快。他跑得很快。She ran very fast. Another example, 他唱得很好。他唱得 很好. He sang very well. Okay, in Chinese, it's very common to use 很, very, before an adjective and an adverb, but actually we don't really mean it. And also, I think you've noticed that the form of an adjective and an adverb is the same in Chinese, so you can only tell them in the position of the sentence. I think so. Chinese is very easy because you don't need to add ly in the end of an adjective. Okay, then let's talk about the third, the. Actually, we should pronounce it like dì, but dì is a noun for like ground. So here is a particle. So here we don't pronounce it like dì, we pronounce it like the. So pay attention, don't pronounce this word as dì. We should pronounce it as the. And the is a particle to change an adjective to an adverb, and then modify a verb. Okay, example sentence. 我慢慢地走向他. 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 Another example. 他很快地离开. 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 So in conclusion, we have two usages for the first the. One is the possessive form. The other is the adjective form. And the sentence pattern for the second the is a verb plus the plus an adjective. And actually here, the adjective is the adverb. Okay, the sentence pattern for the third the is an adverb plus dì plus verb. Okay, right now you can see the quizzes, and please you choose the proper the for each question, and I'll read these sentences for you, and after you finish these quizzes, please you find out the answers in the description box. Okay, number 1. 那是只可爱的狗. That is a cute dog. Number 2. 乌龟慢慢地爬. 乌龟慢慢地爬. The turtle crows slowly. Number 3. 他的中文说得很好. 他的中文说得很好. He speaks good Chinese. Number 4. 理查愉快地笑着. 理查愉快地笑着. Richard smiled happily. So if you finish these quizzes, please you find out the answers in the description box below. Okay, I hope you liked today's lesson, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. 再见.